Hey folks, Andrew here, Viking Electronics. March newsletter came out. It is spotlighting the ADA compliant emergency phones and all of their associated parts, especially some key features for area of refuge. And you'll also see beacons, and the employee spotlight is a very studly man with what looks to like a 10-point buck. So check your mailboxes today. Oh, and the March trivia question is the song Get Back was number 1 on the Billboard charts for 5 weeks in 1969. What famous band released this song? Answer down below in the comment section for your chance to win a delicious Bass Lake cheese basket.